Frustrated when your Acadia won't start with the remote? Don't worry, let's figure it out together. Let's talk about the most common reasons your GMC Acadia remote start won't work. First, check if your car is locked. The remote start won't work unless all doors are closed and locked. Next, look at your key fob. If the battery is low or dead, the remote won't send the signal. Try replacing the battery. Now think about your car's gear. Remote start only works if your Acadia is in park. If it's in drive or reverse, it won't work. Also, check your hood. If it's not fully closed, the system will block remote start for safety. Another thing, low fuel. Sometimes, if your gas tank is almost empty, your Acadia won't let you start remotely. Finally, look for warning lights on your dashboard. If you see a check engine light, remote start might not work until the issue is fixed. So remember, doors locked, key fob battery, gear in park, hood shut, enough fuel, and no warning lights. Still not starting? It might be time to contact your dealer. Thanks for watching. Now you know why your GMC Acadia remote start might not be working.